Good morning. Any questions from the audience?
Yeah, I was wondering if I have to warm up my car before I start driving.
Did you hear that? Do I have to warm up my car before driving? Well, in 2024, the answer is absolutely not. That all came out of the 1970s. So back when we had carburetors on our engines, they needed time to warm up in order to operate properly so you could drive the car, it would stall. Today's cars, fuel injected, all that goes away. It's all computer controlled. You don't have to worry about warming up your car. Warming up your car today is more for the humans. I would say I have a Tesla. I like to pull out my app and I put my heated seats on and I get my car all warmed up and it sends me a message that says, hey, your car is up to temperature, and so I can go out there. But the car is ready to go. And in a gas-powered car, not like a Tesla, you know, the problem is the engine oil is cold and it's in the pan, and the first thing that happens when you turn the key and start the engine is the oil pump picks up that oil and brings it up to the top of the engine really quickly, within seconds, microseconds actually. But so by the time that happens, all the engine damage goes away. Any issues with damaging your engine happens in that first second of starting the car. So by the time you get in, start the car, put the foot on the brake and put it in park, or I mean in reverse, the car's ready to go. You're going to be cold if you didn't warm it up, because you got to wait for the engine to come up to temperature. So there you go. It's a myth in today's world.
Thanks, John!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this.